Right, so all the headlights are in and the bolts are in. There's 1, 2, 3, 10 millimeters. That's like with the sharp edge. When I mean sharp edge, they're like pokey. Then this one's like a machine screw, which looks different from those other three. This one's just, there's no like point to it. And then to get this in, you also need to, this one there's no bolts here, just a square, bloop, and then this side. But the whole point is to make sure you put this in and then the bolts go through it. And so the screw I'm talking about, that's the regular ones, are this one with a pointy tip. So all good. And then make sure you lift up some of your protective film before you put the bumper in, and it will hide it in there. It's hard to come out. And then make sure this thing is good, or else you have to put some tie wrap on there. So there we have a car accident here, so I'm not sure if this is from the original car accident or this is from us. Yeah. See how the shape of this?
Yeah, this could be the more recent.
So if you don't see any rust on it, then it's probably ours. Yeah. So this is a good time to just look at your car. You can tell this is a California car because there's no rust, random rust. I don't know about this clip.
Yeah, like that seems like it's missing something.
And so you see these ground spots. So if a car ever gets flooded and the water gets in here and the car works for a great 1 year or 2, and then all of a sudden the weirdest things happen because all these things get rust in it. Okay. And that's why you don't want to buy a flooded car because it's in the middle of nowhere. How would you even know?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. And then if body people don't put those things back right, or they don't scratch it, or they don't cover it up with protective things, and after a few years, weird things happens too. So it looks, and maybe it looks like this type of clip with a little circle in there.
Yeah.
So if you can find a clip like that.
Like this?
Yeah. Just see if it fits, and then if it's snug and they'll come out, then you'll get a winner.
See that? Yeah, that's the only circle looking one. I mean, it can't be like this one, so probably it's this one. Let's see.
Just to see how fat the hole is, though.
It's about right.
That looks, yours looks really big. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's not going in that hole. Yeah, this is huge. This is a square.
Oh.
That's not the